Bebop is not your typical K-pop girl group. Whether you have short, medium, or long hair, we will show you how to achieve their glamorous rock hairstyles with Pantene.
Great hair gives confidence. Celebrity or regular client, they all say they feel beautiful after they leave the salon. But even with the best styling, nothing beats strong and healthy hair. Before we begin, let's protect the hair with the 10-in-1 Pantene BB Cream for hair. Step 1. Separate hair into 3 sections. First from the mid-head bone, second from the ear down, in a horizontal line. The third is the remaining hair. Step 2. Split the third part into 2. Step 3. Curl and leave on for 4 seconds each. Step 4. Repeat for all sections. Step 5. Run fingers through hair from inside to give volume.